Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the complete SAT registration process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to register for the SAT without any confusion. Let's get started. Search for College Board on your search engine and click on My SAT. If you don't already have an account, click on Create Account, fill in your general information including your name, date of birth, and the school you currently attend or attended. Click Next. Confirm the details you've entered. Enter your email address and click on Verify. You'll receive an email verification on your email. Open your email and click the verification link to continue. Then create a password and security phrase. This will help verify your identity if you need to update your account in the future. Provide your mobile number to receive important updates. This step is optional. After that, sign in to proceed. This will direct you to your SAT dashboard. Click on Register for SAT, then click Get Started. Confirm your information once more and click Continue. You will be asked 25 questions based on your GPA and the subjects that you've studied. After that, you will be taken to the test details page. Choose the country or region where you will be taking the test, followed by your preferred test date. Next, choose your test center by selecting the country you're testing in. Based on that, you will be shown available test centers in your area. Pick the one that is most convenient for you. Now you will need to upload a photo since you only have 20 minutes to complete the registration process. Here's what you need to keep in mind when uploading your photo. It should reflect how you look on the test day. You must be the only person in the photo. The photo should show only your head and shoulders, and it should not be too close or too far away. Face the camera directly, no angle shots. Your face should be in focus and visible clearly. Head coverings are not allowed, only for religious reasons. Ensure the photo is neither too dark nor too bright. After uploading your photo, you'll need to select your test day device. Review the order summary and click Confirm to proceed. Finally, confirm all your details and make the payment to complete the registration. So that's how you can register for the SAT easily. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with your SAT.